Today is September 1st, 2018, and I'm going to install coilovers on the Subaru. Just a quick rundown of what's going on. There's three 12mm nuts that you need to remove over here. Have the wheel off, and if we come down here, there's two bolts that are 19mm, so you would use 19mm to hold this in place while turning these out. Over here we have a 12mm holding this speed sensor, and on this side we had a clip that I took off with just a flathead screwdriver, and then I actually used the Dremel. So I cut this and then I'm going to bend it so I can get this hose off, otherwise I would have to take it off over here, and I don't want to bleed the brakes, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to support the bottom with the jack, then loosen this, and then wiggle that out, and then once I get those loose as well, I'm going to pop that out. So in the back, it's very similar. On the inside, it's hard to see, but that's one of them. There's three 12mm bolts. There's another one and one right there. This one, it's a little hard to get into, so I actually used an adjustable ratcheting wrench, or I used a ratcheting wrench. So coming down here, we have the same thing, 19mm, and then we have this brake line. So as you can see, this one has not been cut yet, so can't get it out. So I'm going to cut that off now and then do all of this. I have the left side shocks out, and if you compare the coilovers, even when they're maxed out, they're about 2 inches lower. I think the car is going to drop quite a bit, so now that it's out, I'm going to put the new ones in and see how it goes. The car is not quite complete, but I'm doing a test ride. The coilovers installed.